In the heart of America's food industry, millions of potatoes thunder down towering steel silos, crashing into a deep water flume like a golden avalanche. High-speed hydrocutters slice whole potatoes into perfect fries in less than 20 milliseconds, creating a storm of crisp edges and flying starch. Giant fryers, longer than city buses, ignite with waves of heat as rivers of fries roll through boiling oil. Steam clouds rise like industrial fog while robotic arms stack frozen fries with machine-level precision. Every hour, this plant produces more than 3 million French fries. You've tasted them countless times. But today, for the first time, you'll see exactly how they're made. This colossal plant stretches across nearly 250,000 square meters, large enough to fit multiple football fields. From the outside, it resembles a modern airport terminal. Endless pipelines, heat exchangers, steam vents, and distribution docks. Inside, an intricate network of machines forms a continuous, fully automated production line. Engineers sit in a glass-walled control center, watching over dozens of screens displaying temperatures, pressures, oil quality, conveyor speeds, and real-time product flow. The factory never sleeps. 3 shifts rotate through 24 hours of non-stop processing to supply grocery stores, restaurants, and major fast food chains across the United States. Every single fry begins its journey here. It all starts hundreds of miles away on potato farms in Idaho, Washington, and Oregon. We're nearing Black Fork, though, regions known for rich volcanic soil and near-perfect growing conditions. Specialized harvesters lift the potatoes from the ground, shake away the soil, and feed them onto conveyor belts. Workers test samples right in the field, measuring size, firmness, and sugar content. The variety used here is primarily Russet Burbank, an American classic. High in starch and low in sugar, it delivers the fluffy interior and crispy exterior Americans love. After harvest, the potatoes are cooled and transported in temperature-controlled trucks to the processing plant. Their journey from soil to production line begins the moment they arrive. As trucks unload, mountains of potatoes pour into the receiving pit. Instead of sliding onto metal belts, the potatoes glide through a gentle water system known as a wet flume. This protects them from bruising and damage. Rock traps at the bottom filter out stones and debris, while rotating drum separators lift away roots and leftover soil. Before heading deeper into the plant, every potato passes under a bank of optical sensors. These cameras scan their surface for color variations that indicate bruising or rot. Potatoes that fail inspection are automatically diverted. The rest continue their journey, carried forward by the rushing flume. potatoes now enter powerful washing drums where high-pressure jets blast away any remaining dirt. Next comes the steam peeler, one of the most impressive machines in the plant. Potatoes are sealed inside a chamber and blasted with 160-degree steam for just 8 seconds. The intense heat loosens the skin instantly. When the chamber depressurizes, the skins explode off the potatoes in a burst of vapor. Rotating brushes remove any remaining flakes, leaving behind smooth, clean potatoes ready for cutting. Sensors monitor peel loss. The waste never exceeds 12%. Every potato must be flawless before slicing.
Our process ensures continuous climate control. As the potatoes move through this protected area, their temperature is meticulously monitored and maintained.
Now the transformation begins. The potatoes accelerate through hydrocutters, long steel tubes filled with pressurized water flowing at nearly 80 kilometers per hour. Inside, razor-sharp grids of stainless steel blades carve each potato into identical fries in a fraction of a second. It's violent, fast, and incredibly precise. Slow-motion cameras reveal a potato entering whole and leaving as dozens of perfectly uniform strips. Fries are sorted by shape and length using air jets controlled by artificial intelligence. Any bent or broken fries are instantly removed. Shape consistency is critical. Every fry must cook at the exact same rate. To prepare the fries for frying, they pass through a massive hot water blanching system stretching more than 20 meters. The hot water removes excess sugar from the potatoes, a crucial step to prevent uneven browning or burning during frying. Blanching also softens the fries slightly, giving them the ideal internal texture. Glucose sensors measure sugar levels continuously to make sure the final color will be a perfect golden yellow. When the fries emerge, they're lighter in color, softer to the touch, and ready for the next phase. blanched fries enter a multi-stage drying tunnel where powerful fans push heated air through layers of moving conveyor belts. The goal is simple but essential. Remove just the right amount of surface moisture. Too much water, and the fries will absorb excess oil. Too little, and they become brittle. Infrared sensors track moisture down to 0.1%. By the time the fries exit the dryer, their outer surface is dry enough to crisp instantly in hot oil, while the inside stays soft.
Uniform and prepared. Their surface is now perfectly textured for optimal frying. They are uniform in appearance, awaiting.
This is where fries develop their signature crunch. Conveyor belts lower them into a sprawling industrial fryer filled with oil heated between 160 and 180 degrees Celsius. The moment the fries hit the oil, a burst of steam erupts, water escaping from inside the fries, creating their iconic hollow structure. This is known as par frying, a partial cook that sets the outer crust without finishing the inside. Oil filtration systems clean the oil every 30 minutes, removing crumbs and starch to maintain purity. Sensors regulate temperature, color, and frying time with scientific precision. Emerging from the fryer, the fries are pale gold, crisp on the outside and ready for freezing.
Temperature is holding steady at 185.
Yep. Looks optimal. Oil flow is consistent.
The hot fries travel directly into a blast freezer where icy air at minus 40 degrees Celsius swirls at high speed. In this frosty tunnel, each fry is frozen individually, a method called IQF, or individual quick freezing. This prevents fries from sticking together and preserves their structure. The process locks in freshness and ensures the fries will cook evenly when reheated in restaurant fryers. Within just a few minutes, the fries emerge hard, cold, and perfectly shaped, ready for packaging.
The IQF process is a critical step in maintaining the fry's integrity. The super cold environment
some products, especially those made for major fast food chains, fries receive an ultra-thin starch coating. In a gentle tumbling drum, fries are misted with a slurry of modified starch that dries into an invisible layer. This coating helps fries stay crisp longer after frying and hold heat during delivery. The application must be flawless. Too thick and the texture becomes gummy. Too thin and the effect disappears. Precision sprayers and airflow sensors maintain perfect consistency.
The coating process is a guarantee of lasting quality. Enjoy enduring crispness.
Frozen fries pass through vibrating conveyors that remove broken pieces. Next, automated scales portion exact weights, 500 grams, 1 kilogram, or industrial bulk sizes, into packaging machines. Nitrogen gas flushes each bag to eliminate oxygen and preserve freshness. Heat sealers close the bags at blistering speed, often packaging more than 300 bags per minute. Laser printers add QR codes,
prevents
batch numbers,
oxidation
and production
and preserves
dates.
freshness.
X-ray scanners check for foreign
Invisible
objects or
shield,
imperfections.
freshness
Only the
ensured.
highest quality fries make it through. Robotic arms carefully stack the sealed bags into cardboard boxes, which are then loaded onto pallets. Automated forklifts move the pallets into vast freezer warehouses kept at a constant minus 18 degrees Celsius. Rows of pallets stretch as far as the eye can see, hundreds of tons of French fries waiting for shipment. Each pallet is tracked digitally, allowing the plant to monitor location, temperature, and storage time with absolute accuracy.
The
From
northern
freezer
array is
warehouses,
showing a slight
refrigerated trucks
deviation.
distribute the fries across the country,
Adjusting
traveling to
parameters
grocery stores,
remotely.
restaurants, schools,
Confirmed
and stadiums.
optimal.
When the fries arrive at your favorite fast food chain, they're fried again for just a few minutes, emerging crispy, golden, and steaming hot. What started as a potato in a quiet field has traveled through heat, water, steel, and ice to become one of America's most iconic foods. This is the incredible journey inside the plant that makes your French fries.